the 19 cubic foot Crystal Cold black refrigerator. It only comes in black. It's a new model in the Crystal Cold line. It has reversible doors. Powder white finish in here for easy cleaning. As we go down here, we have standard shelves. This one has a nice cover for whatever you may need. Down here we have the light source, the cooling fins, glass shelves, and two clear crispers at the bottom. At the very base of the unit, very similar to other models, we have the piezo igniter switch, flame indicator, your on and off switch, and a temperature control knob for your convenience. As we go to the back of the unit, it's on casters for easy rolling, as you can see. 4D batteries here, which power the internal light. This main thing on the back is the cooling unit. Down here at the bottom, we have the burner, pretty standard. And it's kind of hard to see, but this is your gas line. This is the 19 cubic foot black new model from the Crystal Cold line.